Oh, first let me say to you, I cannot wait to see you. You are the treasure I've been waiting for. Do you know how much I really need you? I pray for the day when I can finally kiss you. You know, see, every day I pray for you. Oh, in my heart, so there is a permanent place for you. That's why my heart see there is like do get. Cause now you are just so I sing for you and I be like, open already, baby. I open you. Don't say me, see, I may not give the world to you, but I give you what I have.